Welcome to your villain era, Dance Fitsugar. I'm your host, Sheela Awe, and today I'll be leading you through a routine that will have you feeling like a sassy baddie. Lilian?
Hey.
Stephanie?
Hello.
Let's get moody. All right, are you guys ready to channel your inner villain?
Yes, we are.
Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're gonna start off slow, pick it up after 2 counts. Here we go, just follow my lead, okay? Here we go. Woo, reach out. Hit hip. We're gonna wave and snap. And snap. Good. Reach it, reach it. Hit. Wave, sit, wave. Double time. Here we go.
The lead, the others will follow. Buckle up, we're going full throttle.
Here we go.
Winning like it's a lotto. Look so good, just like
Slow.
you're a model.
Zombie.
Got them watching like
Shoulder.
so go
Hop.
take a
Zombie.
We're drinking straight from the bottle.
Shoulder.
Loud as
Hop.
our
Double
only
time.
motto.
Hey. Let's go.
I like the way that you move.
Woo.
Like the way that you move. Keep doing it.
And here we go. Slow.
I like the way that
We're gonna
you move.
open, close. Again, slow. Woo!
I like the way that
You get that crown up. Double time.
and shake your face. Oh, babe. So
Here we go.
hypnotic, I can't see you straight. Just bring it
Slow
closer over
from the
my
top.
way. We'll make the most before it's
Wave,
too late.
sit, wave, sit. Double time.
Take the lead, the others will follow. Buckle up,
Nice.
we're going full throttle.
Let's
Just
go,
keep
guys.
winning like it's a lotto. Look so good, just like you're a model.
Slow.
You got them watching like
Hop.
you so go
Hop.
take a. We're drinking straight from the bottle. Live
Go
out
pick it up
loud
double
is our
time.
only motto.
Woo!
I like the way that you move.
Here we go.
Keep doing it how you do.
One more time. 8
I
count.
like the way that you move.
5, 6, 7, 8.
I like the
This
way
is
that
vibey.
Here we go. Channel
you
it.
doing it how you do.
Last time, slow. We're getting moody.
The way that you
And wave, snap, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Channel it. All right, you guys, let's get even sassier, even badder, even more villainous. Ready? We're gonna point. 6, 7, 8.
Dreaming about kings
Point to
playing
your
on
target.
my name.
Don't be shy.
Looking up at me like they can't believe
We're gonna push.
that I'm here to take what they
Good.
took from me.
Open, cross, turn, and again.
Cause all you ever do is pretend I'm wrong.
Really channel it, you
Watch
guys.
overthrow
This is your
us
moment.
in my time.
Push.
You don't even know what is
Resist it.
begun.
Open. Hey, reach it out. Get sultry,
Sick
swing.
of all these talking down.
And other side.
You
Good.
respect me when
We're gonna
I
walk.
take this crown. I'm gonna be the one who takes
And
you under.
get
I'm
sassy
gonna be
with
the
it.
one who makes you hurt. I
Shake it
cannot
out.
admit I'm both crazy and
Ready?
angry.
Give me the energy. Here we go.
Fucking evil queen.
Woo! Point.
I'm not
And push.
gonna be me.
Out. Beautiful. Get sultry. And again.
Let me show you how I wanna be.
Nice.
Wanna be a queen.
And channel it. Really get in to character, you guys. Here we go. Point.
Feel your blood coursing through my veins.
Point.
Feels as good as breaking these chains. Wanna step inside and enjoy my reign.
And again.
Looking down at you from my icy throne. Better pray that you
Really
don't end
smile,
up
you guys.
alone. 'Cause you're
Show me your
nothing
face.
but skin and bone.
We're gonna reach out. Finger flutters. Sway.
I'm sick of all these talking down.
Beautiful.
You respect me when I
Walk
take this ground.
with
I'm gonna
attitude.
Be the one who takes you under. I'm gonna be the one who
And
makes
again,
you
shake it
hurt.
out.
I cannot help that I'm both crazy
Here we
and
go.
angry.
Give me the energy.
Be a dark and
Point.
evil queen.
Here we go. Push it out.
Be mean.
Open. Cross. Here we go.
Better than you. Let me show you how I wanna do. I wanna be a
Push it. Hey. And again, just like that until the Push it out. Hey. Last time, guys. Really get in there. Woo! And 5, 6, queen pose. All right, guys, last one, best one. Channel your inner rock and roll villain. Here we go. Go around. Grab your wrist from the back. Make sure you stick that chest out. Other side. Get sultry with it. Here we go. We're gonna hit. And slide, throw it up. Hit. Slide, throw it up. Walk. Throw it back. And again. Crisscross. Go. 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 Wrist. Roll it out. 5, 6, 7. Other side. Good. We're gonna throw it down. Slide, throw it up. Slide and walk. Throw it back. Crisscross. Woo! Energy, let me see it. Get low. Hips. Here we go. Good. Really channel it, you guys. Last one. Stroll. Slide and throw it up. Walk. Throw it back. One more time. Crisscross. Hips. Here we go. 2, 3. Other side. Here we go. Back. Throw. Slide. Come on. And walk. Throw it back. Hey. Crisscross. Last move, guys. You got this. Ready? In 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys, and that was it for your Villain Era Dance Fit Sugar. What happens here stays here. Thanks to my girls Lilian
Thank you.
and Stephanie.
Hello.
And we'll see you guys next time.